Rocket Pat here. Alright guys, it's another rocket day in the jungle. Okay, so I just uploaded the video about our 1947 Chevrolet pick-em-up truck. The fuel float was sunk. I told you I was going to drill a hole in it to get the fuel out. I have blown it out with air. There's no more fuel in it. It's light as can be. You can hear this just tinging all over the place. At that point, once I got all the fuel out, I took it to the wire wheel, and you can see how I've brightened up the areas where the seam is. I've also ground it down, brightened up, cleaned it on the tail end. So what we're going to do now is I'm going to fix it by using JB Weld. And no, this isn't a sponsored JB Weld thing, but this is what I use. I know this doesn't have a problem with gasoline because I use it to plug off the plugs in the Quadrajet carburetor that leak, the primary metering plugs that leak out. So let me mix up a little JB Quick, and we're going to smear it all over this thing. And we don't have to get crazy with it. We just want to make sure we got it sealed. A little bit of steel. It's kind of chilly out here, so this ain't flowing too well. And a little bit of hardener. My favorite epoxy mixing stick. I guess maybe that's because it was just right here on the toolbox, on the bench, and it's easy to get to. Get it all mixed up real well. That should do it. Alright guys, well that should take care of it. I'm going to let this sit here and dry for a little while. Probably give it 2 or 3 hours. And then we'll snap it back in the truck and we'll see what the hell happens. One way or the other. It either works or it don't work. And I'm pretty sure it's going to work. Alright guys, well y'all keep rocking it down, getting them down and making them sound. And I'm going to keep grinding it down. Talk to y'all next time.